Welcome back to template tutorials. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to change the layout here to blank and then move on to the design tab. So from there we'll go to the slide size, we'll customize it and choose A4 here. So we'll leave it the landscape and click on OK and click on maximize. Alright, so the next thing again that I would like us to do is to go to the insert tab. We are going to insert a couple of shapes. So the first shape that we have to insert is right here. So click inside the shapes. So the shape that we can locate it, which is right here, that's the half frame. Click on it, click here to just insert it. Alright, so let's gently place it somewhere around here and remove the outline. So again, we are going to change the color of it. That's the shape fill to this one. So let me gently increase the size. Alright, so with it being this way, I'll just gently align it here. Alright, so by leaving it here, I'll also make a copy of this one here. So let me simply rotate it and align it somewhere around here. Alright, so let me now use this one to control it so that it's all on the same length. So I'll make another copy to this side and gently rotate that one also as well. So I'll align it here. So let me try controlling this one also to make sure that it will also be well fit. So I'll again take this one, rotate, make a copy to this side. So to make a copy, you can either use the Ctrl+C to copy and to Ctrl+V to paste. But I'm using the simplest way, which is to press and hold the Ctrl key and drag to duplicate. You see how it is? Alright, so let me bring it back. So let me just align that one also here. So I try controlling this one. Alright, so let me try with this one also. Alright, so let's simply go back to the insert tab. We are going to insert a line. So which is right here, just come and draw a straight line here. Alright, so with this line, just right click on it and go to the format shape. I want the properties of it to appear at the right side of our screen here. Even though the properties of it are also on top here, but the one on the right side here gives us a lot of features that we can easily use and even makes our editing faster. So the width here, that's the size. I want to increase it to 3. So the color, I'll choose the red. So I'll simply make a copy to this side. So by making a copy here, I'm just going to increase the size a little. Alright, so I'm just going to make a copy also to this side. So then take this one also, make a copy to the right side. So let me gently place this one closer. So with this one also, let's make a copy down here. Alright, so let's make another copy. Now let's take this one to the top. And take this one also. Make a copy to the top. Alright, so now I want us to now start inserting the text box. So to insert the text box, you simply have to go to the insert tab, move on to the text box here, which is right here. Just click on it and click here, it will be inserted. Alright, so the text that I want us to insert is certificate of appreciation. So I'll select all of it, align it to the center, and the font here I'll choose brush. Okay, it's here brush script, and the font size I'll choose possibly, okay, I'll go with 48. I'll make it bold. Alright, so I'll simply align it at the top here. So make a copy here also as well. So with this one, I'm just going to gently change the text here to this certificate. This certificate is presented to. So let me select all of it. With the font, I'll choose this one, and the size, I'll try with 48. So let me select all of them and change it to uppercase and reduce the size a little. Alright, so with this one, let's make another copy here and change the text to name, and also have surname. So select this one also, and the font here will be Edwardian script, and the size will be 60 or 66, choose any, and the color, let's choose the red. So I'll gently place it here. So I'll take this one also and make another copy here. The reason why I'm just focusing on making a copy is that to go back to insert the text box, and we have to go back to the insert tab again and go and click on the text box again. It's a long procedure. So that's why I'm just making a copy, so to make our work faster and easier. Alright, so with this one, I'm just going to clear it off. I already have a text of my choice, like the description. You know, here has to be a description for the certificate, but I already have one. So to type it, it's just a long procedure, so I'll simply just paste it in here. So let me select it first and paste my text there. So let me change the size to 20. Alright, so I'll gently align it here. Alright, so let's change this one. Let me go with awarded. So let me change all of them to sentence case, possibly. I think it looks better. Alright, so let's make a copy of this one and paste it here. So I'll gently align this one also here. Alright, so with this one being there, let's make a copy of this one also here. So we are changing this one to date. So let me just format it that one also. So I'll choose uppercase, and our font, I'll choose this one. Alright, I think it's not bad. But the size, let's make it 18. So let me gently align this one also here and make a copy to the right side. So let's take this one also and make a copy here. So the width of it, I'll reduce the width to 2. And the color, I'll choose color black. Alright, so I'm just going to position it, all of them well. So I'll take this one also and make a copy to the right side. So let's change the text here to signature. So that one also, let's change it to uppercase. Alright, so the next thing again I would like us to do is to insert a medal here. So with the medal, I already have it also in my device. Or not also, I already have it in my device. So in a situation wherever you don't have it in your device, you can also insert it. And how do you do it? You simply have to go to the insert tab, click on pictures. So if you don't have it in your device and want to insert it from online pictures, just go with online here. But I have it in my device, so I'll go with this device. Alright, so I have it here. You see, I can find it inside the pictures folder. So I'll just double click on it this way to be inserted. Alright, so let me just gently reduce the size and position it all. Alright, so I'll gently align it here. Alright, so as you can see, everything is well fit and done. Thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video.